Calling the woods his warehouse, an award-winning artist has brought his ability to create an exhibit entirely from tree branches to WKU's campus as part of the Cultural Enhancement Series.
It is amazing when you get in there. It's almost kind of whimsical. It reminds me of like fairies.
Junior Caitlin Hauser is describing this wooden exhibit located in the heart of campus. She's excited to have some skin in the game. Her sculpture class is helping prep the branches.
It's really exciting though to have experience with artists too, and it kind of gives you a sense of importantness, I guess.
The artist is Patrick Doherty from North Carolina.
I've worked for 30 years. Really about 35 years, and I've worked every single day as a sculptor. I've made a living at it, which is a big thing for an artist in general.
There was a 2-year waiting list for Doherty, but he's now here as part of WKU's Cultural Enhancement Series.
He's so mellow. He's just so easygoing and supportive and encouraging.
Guiding campus and community volunteers in the 3-week-long project.
It's just so great to be doing something physical that helps to create a new work of art.
At the site visit, Doherty identified a path to the Kentucky Museum as the perfect location.
The idea of making some gatehouses that worked their way down that walkway and gave the opportunity to walk through the piece and see it in 4 different increments.
It's taken a lot of coordination.
It's a big project and there's a lot of moving parts. Logistics have been incredible.
And a lot of teamwork. And for students like Caitlin, a unique opportunity outside the classroom.
When we get to have hands-on experience like this, it's so neat. It's my favorite part about being at Western.
An opening reception for the Stickwork project will be held tomorrow night at 5:30 in the Kentucky room of the Kentucky building. The sculpture will be in place for up to 3 years. With this week's View from the Hill, I'm Amy Bingham.